182 In many cities there is a lack of space to develop, and as a result, in order to modernize, old buildings are demolished and replaced with new buildings. What are the disadvantages of knocking down old buildings? Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? The practice of demolishing old buildings to make way for new developments, while often driven by the need for modernization and urban expansion, comes with significant disadvantages that warrant careful consideration. One major drawback is the loss of historical and cultural heritage. Older buildings often carry architectural, historical, and cultural significance, contributing to the identity of a city. Demolishing these structures erases tangible links to the past, eliminating the visual and historical narratives that contribute to the character and charm of a city. This loss can result in a diminished sense of place and cultural continuity. Additionally, the demolition of old buildings can contribute to environmental concerns. Construction and demolition activities generate substantial amounts of waste and consume resources. The disposal of building materials and the energy-intensive process of constructing new buildings contribute to pollution, waste accumulation, and the depletion of natural resources. The environmental impact of demolition should be carefully weighed against the perceived benefits of modernization. Furthermore, the removal of older buildings may lead to the displacement of existing communities. Gentrification often accompanies urban renewal projects, pricing out long-standing residents and altering the social fabric of neighborhoods. This can result in the loss of community cohesion, with the character of the area fundamentally changed to cater to newer, often more affluent residents. However, proponents argue that the advantages of demolishing old buildings lie in the potential for economic revitalization and increased efficiency in land use. New developments can contribute to economic growth, attract investment, and provide modern amenities. The creation of contemporary spaces can also enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of urban areas. In evaluating whether the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, it is essential to consider the unique context of each urban development project. Balancing the preservation of historical and cultural assets, minimizing environmental impact, and addressing social equity concerns are essential factors in making informed decisions about the demolition of old buildings for the sake of modernization.